Hi, I'm Sabah Khalaf, the managing attorney of the Khalaf Law Firm. Something that comes up more often than you might think is what happens if you forget your gun in your bag and you're going through the airport. A lot of us carry guns. That's what we do here in Oklahoma. And if you happen to keep your gun in a bag in your car or that you take with you places, or even in just your purse, you may not think to get your gun out of your bag before you go to the airport. And so you throw it up on the conveyor belt, the next thing you know, you've got a group of TSA officers surrounding you, ready to take you down. So what does that actually look like? Well, the reality is, obviously it's a dangerous situation because people accidentally bringing a gun through the airport could turn out to be something that could cause a lot of damage to somebody. And they really just want to verify that you are not a threat and that it's nothing more than just an accident. So what generally happens is once they identify that there's been a gun through the x-ray machine is they're going to detain you for a little bit, ask you questions about what you're doing, where you're going, why you've got a gun in the bag. And if everything checks out, they're probably going to let you continue on to your flight, obviously without the gun though. That gun will get booked into their property room and they'll probably send over some reports to the local district attorney's office for an evaluation on whether or not charges could be filed. Unfortunately, a lot of the times they do file charges for an unlawful carry, and you are going to be subject to potential jail time and a fine. Some DA's offices have a saying that a gun crime equals in time, even for accidents. And that's why it's important that you hire an experienced lawyer who knows the ins and outs of the laws in the courtrooms so that they can protect your rights and ensure that you don't get cuffed and stuffed for an accident. Additionally, the federal government may pursue charges against you on the administrative side for having the gun in a federally protected area. We have experience dealing with that also. And so if you find yourself in a situation where you're walking through the airport and you forget that you've got a gun in your bag, it's going to create panic, but don't panic and call us. We'll make sure and walk you through the process, protect your rights, protect your liberty, and ensure the best possible outcome. If you've got questions about what happens to you if you accidentally carry a gun through the airport, visit us online or give us a call. Khalaf Law Firm.